Hello friends, today are we discussing about the application of probability in businesses. An abstract. Probability theory is an important part of statistical theory. It is classified in three ways. In businesses, probability theory is used in calculation of long-term gains and losses and also from many other businesses related works. Introduction to probability. Probability theory is an important part of statistical theory that bridges descriptive and inferential statistics. It is science of uncertainty or chance or likelihood. A probability value range between 0 and 1, inclusive and represent the likelihood that a particular event will happen. A probability value of 0 means there is no chance that any will happen, and a value of 1 means there is 100% chance that the event will happen. Understanding probability is a helpful for decision making. Probability. There are three classification. Classification of probability. First one is classical probability, second one is empirical probability, third one is subjective probability. Probability distribution. Listening of probabilities of all the possible outcomes that could result if the experiment were done. Discrete probability distribution describe a finite set of possible occurrence of discrete count data. There are two types of further depth. First one is binomial distribution, second one is Poisson distribution. Probability distribution. Continuous probability distribution describe an unbroken continuum of possible occurrence. From example, the probability of a given breath weight can be anything from say half a pound to more than 12 pounds or something like that. Thus, the random variable of a breath weight is continuous with an infinite number of possible points between any two value. Normal distribution. The variable flows without a break and is thus continuous with no limit to the number of individual with different measurement. Such measurement are distributed in any of a number of ways. We will consider it the normal distribution. Application in business. In application, probability theory is used in the calculation of long term gains and losses. This is how a company whose business is based on risk calculates the probability of profitability within acceptable margins. Every decision made in the business world has risk to it. So in business, you would use probability to take a close look at the company's financial risk. Even the decisions that come down from management all have a probability of a success and a probability to fail. Application in business. Probability in manufacturing business can use probability that determine the cost benefit ratio or the transfer of a new manufacturing technology process by addressing a likelihood of improved profit. In other instances, manufacturing firms used probability to determine the possibility of a financial success of a new product when considering competition of other manufacturing market demand, market value, and manufacturing cost. Conclusion. Probability helps people understand with choice are safe and which choice are risky. Of course, this task is much easier when we have fluid knowledge of probability. By learning about probability, we can learn about the likelihood of future events and prepare accordingly. Thank you.